Alright, so I'm going to take you through the tricks to get enough data to stay active online today. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first, we are starting with Telecel Ghana, so just dial star 530 hash. Okay, right, so this will open their made for me bundles, so this varies across different users. So if you are lucky to have more than this, then congrats. Okay, so the first option you can see 5 gig for 7 CDs, 55 pesos for 1 day. That is enough for today. And then number 2, 6.5 gig goes for 12 Ghana CDs for 3 days. I think that is enough for you to stay active today. Alright, so if you also want to make a lot of calls today, then the option 3 will go for you. 120 minutes to call all networks, and then they will give you 6 gig. That goes for 20 Ghana CDs for 10 days. Alright, or you can even go for much better than that. 400 minutes for all networks, and it goes for 10.5 gig for 40 Ghana CDs. That goes for 1 month. Okay, right, so that is the first code. So let's move on. Then you can dial star 200 hash. Okay, and then alright, so once you're here, you can scan through. There's a lot of offers here, so you can go through to select the best one you like. So I'll go for option 3. Okay, and then down there to option 6, that is today's being Saturday, that is your weekend bundles. They are going to give you 100 minutes plus 4 gig that goes for only 6 Ghana cedis. You're going to use this one for Saturday and Sunday, that is 2 days. Okay, right, that is so great. Let's press option 6 to see the details. As you can see, 100 minutes to call all networks and 4 gig during this weekend. That goes for 6 Ghana cedis. Okay, right, so let's move on. We are going to dial star 5588 hash. Okay, so we have these offers that you can go for. Okay, right, maybe back to see the other alternatives. Let's see. Alright, so that is it. So you can scan through to see which one is good for you. Okay, alright, so let's move on. We are going to dial star 110 hash. Okay, and we are going to find some bundles there that we can buy. Okay, so if you are using Vodafone Cash, then this is good for you. So you just click on option 3, buy airtime or bundles, and then once a year just select special offers. That's option 3, and then select one. If you are buying for yourself, select one. Other than that, select option 2, and then as you can see, we have the highest being 1.3 gig. That goes for 4 CDs, 50 pesos, and then all the way down to option 4. Then I think this will be enough for you to stream the updates today. Okay, alright, so the final one, just type star 533 hash. Okay, right, and then good. First we are going to check your points. So I have only 387.30 points. I've been using it frequently, so I think the points left is not enough for me. So check yours to see if it is enough. Just click on option 2 to redeem your points. Then you have airtime and you have data. If you prefer data, click on option 2, and then you can see 250 megabytes goes for 100 coins. So let's say that if you have like 1,000 coins, then you can redeem a lot of bundles to use for today. Okay, the next thing to do is that star 700 hash. Okay, once you're here, just select buy data option 1. Alright, so once you're here, scan through the rest to see the best offer that is good for you. Alright, but I think option 6, that is hourly bundles, that is found in Telecel, is not there in the other providers. Okay, alright, so maybe you can decide to watch your favorite streaming platform and maybe an hour or 2 hours, so you can go and just buy this bundle. 1 gig goes for 2 Ghana cedis for 1 hour. Alright, so that is it for Telecel Ghana. So let's move on to MTN. So we're going to open my MTN app. It is here. So if you don't have it, you can go to the Play Store and then get it on your phone working. Okay, alright, so once you're here, MTN, they have bundles dedicated for public holidays in Ghana, and that is found only in this app. Okay, right, so once you're here, what we need to do is to click on the quick access. So you just come here and click on the view all, and then click on data bundle. Then you can see the data offers that they have. Okay, so just go to the last one, at the special day offer. Then holiday bundle offer is right here. So they are gonna give you 2.5 gig and it goes for only 10 Ghana cedis every public holiday. All right, so that is it. So if you want to get this bundle, then what you need to do the first time is to come to the bottom here and click on join offer. Okay, so just click on it. This is my first time, so let's see what they're going to do. Success, and they're gonna send you a text message that you have successfully subscribed to the special day offer, and then you receive 2.5 gig. Okay, right, so this offer is going to be renewed every public holiday at a rate of 10 Ghana cedis. All right, so you can see that. Yeah, so once you're done, just click on home. So still on the my MTN app, just scroll down and you're going to find MTN rewards. Okay, so you see the button here, just click on it, and then just like Telecel Ghana, you are going to use your points to redeem airtime, data, and others. Okay, right. Okay, so I have only 450 points, so I'm going to use it to redeem data. I'll click on data, and then you can see the limits. They have 1,000 points, 2,000, 4,000. Okay, maybe let's click on the 4,000 and see what they will give us there. 120 megabytes, that goes for 4,000 points. So some people have a lot of points that they don't know, they are not aware. So make sure you go and check it and then see if you can use to redeem a lot of bundles to use for today. Okay, so that is it with the my MTN app. Okay, right, so the next thing, let's search for the my Momo, their Momo app. That is the new Momo app that they've developed. So what you need to do is that download the app, sign in with your Momo number, and then they are going to take you through the verification process. And once they are done, they are going to reward you with 500 megabytes, okay, free of charge. So if you haven't installed the app, just go and do that and then receive your 500 MB to use for today. Okay, this one, it might delay, but once you are done with the verification process, you will receive your 500 MB, whether today or it will delay a little. Okay, so that is it here. The next thing to do is dial *141 hash. Okay, the same way this offers varies for different users. Some are lucky that they have enough bundle that goes for cheaper prices, but for me, I'm not lucky here. I think the better one there is option 2, 521 megabytes, goes for 3 Ghana cedis. I'm going to go and press 99 and see maybe if I have more than that. No, see, I'm not lucky like that here. So try it, and then if you have a higher option than this, then you can go for it. Okay, right. All right, so the next thing, let's dial *135 hash. Okay, right, so this is a zone data bundles. Okay, right, so I think this one is standard across all users, right? So press option 1, then you have the options here to select. I think you can go for option 3, 692 megabytes, that goes for just 1 day, 4 Ghana cedis, 79 pesos. Maybe you can manage with it. All right, so that is MTN for you. They don't have so much data bundles. Let's say their offers are expensive, but you can work around it to get the best for yourself. Okay. Alright, so that is it. If you are using Telecel or MTN Ghana, I hope I'll be able to take you through some tips to get data bundles to stay active. Right, so if your internet connectivity is so poor at your area, so check the videos in this channel to see the settings that you're going to apply on your phone to increase your internet speed on your phones and computers. Okay, so you can also check other videos there, how to get cheaper data at cheaper prices. You can also check the playlist data in internet connectivity. It has got all the kit to fix all your internet connectivity issues, giving you the tips to get cheaper data at cheaper prices and best internet connectivity. All right, so if this video helped you a lot, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and then hit the like button. And then until next time we meet again, and stay safe.